In this video, I'm testing the RØDE NT-SF1 ambisonic microphone in my home. I have the tennis channel on, I've got my Uniden SDS100 scanner on, and I have the washing machine going. So I want to understand the way the RØDE NT-SF1 ambisonic microphone picks up these audio sounds and process them so that I can then make my edits and understand the edits that I'm making to the recordings in the DAW Reaper software, as well as in the RØDE NT-SF1 ambisonic plugin that is attached to the Reaper DAW software. I've never used this software before, nor have I used the plugin, so there's a lot to learn, but I'm taking it step by step, and I seem to be progressing pretty well. I have from now until October 2023 to become proficient with this setup so I can record the U.S. Navy flight demonstration team, the Blue Angels, when they fly into San Francisco, October 2023.
As tight as it needs to be, Berrettini. How many times can he escape the pressure of Taylor Fritz? 30 all here. Fritz has done such an excellent job of getting the ball into the backhand corner against Berrettini's second serve. Easier done than the ad court when you can pull it across the court, but it's the right idea on either side. Overplays that two-hander